6 years old.
That's unbelievable.
Emilio.
It was a very intense discussion. Hello. Hello. So I'm all ready to go to my friend's place. It's her birthday tonight, and we're gonna have some get together. Few of our friends are going to come together. Guys, this is Madhura, and that is Harshad, and we have lots of gift bags. Harshad is like a Santa right now, and these all gifts are for Anamika. She's going to go crazy. We are now walking towards the bus stop. Anamika's house is like an hour away from here, so it's going to be a long bus ride. And we're waiting for the bus, and the bus should arrive in like a few minutes from now. The sky looks so beautiful, and we have just few more stops to go, and then we'll be meeting the birthday girl. So we have reached Anamika's place and waiting for Anamika to come down. Ah! Look how beautiful! Happy birthday!
Oh, okay. तो अभी ठीक नहीं लग रहा है.
Please.
Happy birthday.
देख ठीक है बाकी यार एक सिल्वर था ना
नहीं दोनों गोल्ड में है
26 रखने.
She's saying she's not turned 29, but she's turned 26, and she's insisting that we put it as 26 instead of 29. So
इसको
it's fine. It's fine. Age is just a number.
Yeah, then we can make it any number, no?
Maybe we can just need 2.
That is not believable. I'm 2 years old. I'm 6 years old.
That's unbelievable. One more time. Ready?
Okay. 6 रखना है इसको
9 कर दे.
Really? Really?
Still not 30. थोड़ा पास में. 1,
अरे पैर लगेगा.
okay, fine. 1, 2, 3, start.
जब ओवर है
1, 2, 3, start.
मैंने गलत कर दिया.
Okay, वापस करते हैं.
ये से तो मैं डांस
अबे ये क्या है हाइपरलैप्स
Ready?
1, 2, 3, start.
Spot the person who's the birthday girl. Clearly.
In case of any doubt.
पाव भाजी
What's the menu? And
specially prepared for us.
there's no coke.
Please cook. Please cook.
Already made the pav bhaji.
And we are going to roast buns.
We're such bad friends. She's cooked the meal for us. It's her birthday.
खीरा काटो, कुकुम्बर काटो। ओह, मैंने उसको खीरा काटो, मतलब मैं खीरा काटो।
वैसे तो आज केक काटने का दिन है, बट तुम लोग खीरा प्याज सब काट सकते हो।
खीरा नहीं बोलते हम लोग,
ककड़ी।
Basket does the reading, footage of the recording, who brings all the material. Oh my god.
It was a very intense discussion. Setting up the table.
In that bag, can you give me the
Yeah,
camera?
here.
Give. Yeah. What is it? Oh, the cake looks very yummy.
कैंडल्स कैसे लगाने डिसाइड करोगे?
It's very yummy.
यार ये खुल नहीं रहा है।
ये पता है क्या है? ये जो तुम मेरे लिए लेकर आए थे ना ब्राइड्स वाला, वो ऐसे ही पड़ा हुआ था ये एक्स्ट्रा। तो मैं रख के आई। मेरे का क्योंकि अब तो काम का है नहीं। मैंने कहा यूज कर लेते हैं।
It's a very nice candle. वही है क्या?
Very nice.
और लगाने कैंडल्स नहीं ना?
अगर लगाने तो लगा लो।
कॉर्नर में लगाते हैं बस.
ह्यूमन बीइंग,
ये दिखेगी।
वहाँ कुछ मेरे को लगा सकते हैं.
Guys, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday dear. Happy birthday to you. What's happening, guys? Bless you. Bless you. Happy birthday dear Amika.
दिन भर
जगह नहीं है. Happy birthday.
Thank you.
कोई खींचो फोटो.
अरे हाँ
क्या?
कहाँ गया कैमरा? ये रहा.
Good morning. So it's her birthday. Wish her happy birthday. Drop it in the comment section. And now we are heading to go to a spa. And and then for the dinner, and all of our friends are going to come and meet us there.
लेट हो रहा है चलो.
We have reached Westwood Spa Resort Place. I think it's called Refresh. And now, it's the Westwood Club. Entering. Lamika. We are at the reception. And there's no camera allowed in outside, so I'll see you guys after the spa. So the spa was amazing, and now we all are very hungry. I'm going to this place called Kiri. Hello.
मैं सीधा फट
Hello.
Everyone is looking so nice.
Amazing, amazing, amazing. I'm just going to keep it here. Hello. So we are deciding what are we going to order. Why so serious?
मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ कब से वो वाला कहाँ पे है क्या कह रहे जस्ट चिली and the Jammu lassi?
Jammu lassi, yeah.
Thank you.
It's very little, no?
We're leaving now.
Yeah.
Bye bye. Time to head home. Bye. Bye.
See you soon, bye bye.
Bye bye. Okay guys, so we are home now and we are going to go. I think we're going to go out for a walk. I think,
Yes.
guys.
Yes.
And I'm just going to save. I'm going to end the vlog here. So bye. Good
Bye
night.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Stay cool.